Have you ever wondered how your social media feed is so personalized? Perhaps you've noticed that if you're a fan of, say, gardening, you see more plant-related posts than your friend who's into vintage cars. Or maybe you've been spooked by the way online ads seem to know exactly what you're interested in buying. This isn't a coincidence, nor is it magic. It's the result of something called personalization. Personalization is the process of tailoring a service or a product to accommodate specific individuals, often tied to groups, segments, or even specific behaviors. It's like walking into a bookstore where every shelf is stocked with books that align with your interests, and every recommendation is tailored to your reading habits. This might sound like a dream come true, but how does it actually happen? This is where algorithms come into play. An algorithm is like a recipe. It's a step-by-step guide to solving a problem or achieving a goal. In the case of personalization, the problem is, how can we show each person the content that they'll find most interesting or relevant? The answer lies in the data. Every like, share, comment, and even the time you spend looking at a post is a piece of data. These bits of information are like puzzle pieces. On their own, they don't mean much. But when an algorithm gathers enough of them, it can start to assemble a picture. This picture isn't just a snapshot of who you are right now. It's a dynamic, evolving portrait of your interests, preferences, and behaviors. This is how social media platforms, online stores, and even news websites are able to create a personalized experience for each user. By analyzing your online behavior, they can predict what you'll want to see, read, or buy next. So the next time you're scrolling through your social media feed, remember this: those posts aren't appearing by chance. They're carefully selected by algorithms based on the data you've provided through your online activities. Algorithms are the invisible puppeteers shaping your online experience. But what exactly is an algorithm, you may ask? Well, think of an algorithm like a recipe. A recipe at its core is a set of instructions that guide you through the process of making a dish. It tells you what ingredients you need, how much of each to use, and the steps to follow in order to whip up your culinary creation. Similarly, an algorithm is a set of instructions that a computer or software follows to solve a problem or achieve a certain outcome. Just like a recipe, an algorithm breaks down a complex task into manageable steps that a computer can understand and execute. It's a roadmap for the computer, guiding it on how to get from point A to point B. Imagine you're baking a cake. The recipe doesn't just say bake a cake. It breaks it down into detailed steps. Preheat the oven, mix the ingredients, pour the batter into a pan, bake for a certain amount of time, and so on. Each step is clear, precise, and leads you towards your final goal, a delicious cake. That's how algorithms work. They break down complex tasks into simple, clear, and precise steps that a computer can follow. Whether it's sorting a list of numbers, finding the shortest route on a map, or even recommending the next video for you to watch on YouTube, algorithms are behind it all. Algorithms are problem solvers. They take in data, process it according to the instructions they've been given, and spit out a solution. They're the powerhouse behind the scenes, diligently working to make our digital lives easier and more efficient. Just like how a recipe can be tweaked to suit your taste, algorithms are also not set in stone. They can be modified, improved, and optimized to better solve problems or achieve desired outcomes. This constant evolution is what makes algorithms so powerful and integral in the world of technology. So, algorithms are like the chefs of the digital world, using recipes to whip up your online experiences. And just like a chef, an algorithm's prowess lies in how well it can take a complex task, break it down, and deliver a satisfying result. Ever noticed how your music app always knows the perfect song to play next? This isn't some magical sixth sense. It's the power of algorithms. Let's take Spotify as an example. This music streaming giant has an algorithm that functions like your own personal DJ. It learns from your listening habits, analyzing the types of songs you like, the artists you follow, and even the playlists you create. It takes note of whether you're a fan of classic rock, an aficionado of jazz, or a lover of pop. It even understands when you prefer to listen to certain types of music, be it upbeat tunes for your morning jog or calming melodies for your late night reading. But it doesn't stop there. The algorithm dives deeper, examining the specific elements of the songs you enjoy. It breaks down each track into its individual components, looking at aspects like tempo, rhythm, and key. It's like a musicologist dissecting each song to understand why you might like it. This data is then used to make predictions and suggestions. The algorithm uses what it has learned to recommend songs that share similar characteristics to those you've previously liked. So when you hit that Discover Weekly playlist, you're listening to a selection of tracks curated just for you, thanks to the algorithm's analysis. But there's more. Spotify's algorithm also considers the listening habits of others. If a user with similar taste to yours discovers a great new track, the algorithm might suggest that song to you too. This feature, called collaborative filtering, allows you to benefit from the musical explorations of others, broadening your horizons while keeping your preferences in mind. So the next time you're listening to your favorite music app and a perfectly suited song starts playing, remember it's not by chance. It's the work of a sophisticated algorithm tirelessly analyzing data to learn your musical tastes. It's almost like having a friend who knows your music preferences intimately, always ready with the perfect song for your mood. By learning from your music choices, algorithms help create your unique soundtrack. Algorithms, however, are not without their faults. As brilliant as they might be at curating our digital experiences, they do raise a few eyebrows, particularly when it comes to privacy and the creation of so-called echo chambers. Let's start with privacy. Every time an algorithm makes a recommendation, it's because it has learned something about us, our likes, dislikes, habits, or preferences. This learning process involves collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data about our online behaviors. While this can lead to more personalized experiences, it also means our digital footprints are being tracked and stored, potentially making us vulnerable to data breaches and misuse of personal information. Now, on to the echo chambers. This term refers to situations where our online environment becomes so personalized that we only see and hear what we like or agree with. This happens when algorithms keep feeding us content based on our past behavior, effectively isolating us from differing viewpoints. In a world that thrives on diversity and dialogue, this can stifle growth and encourage polarization. But it's not all doom and gloom. As much as they have their challenges, algorithms also come with a handful of benefits. For starters, they offer unparalleled convenience. Think about it. How much easier is it to find a new song you love when a music app can predict what you'll like based on what you've previously listened to? Or how much time do you save when your favorite shopping app suggests products based on your past purchases? Moreover, algorithms allow for personalization at a scale previously unimaginable. They can tailor content to your specific tastes and preferences, making your digital experiences more enjoyable and relevant. Whether it's a news app that learns what kind of articles you prefer to read or a fitness app that adjusts workouts based on your progress, algorithms are making our digital world more responsive and user-friendly. Algorithms, like any tool, can be a boon or a bane depending on how they are used. So next time you're scrolling through your feed or enjoying a personalized playlist, remember the algorithm working behind the scenes, its potential pitfalls, and its powerful benefits. Algorithms are everywhere, shaping our digital world and, by extension, our lives. You might not realize it, but every time you open up a search engine, you're interacting with an algorithm. It's the secret sauce that helps you find exactly what you're looking for in a sea of billions of web pages. When you type in your query, the search engine's algorithm sifts through an astronomical amount of information, prioritizes the most relevant results, and delivers them to you in a fraction of a second. And it's not just search engineers. When you shop online, algorithms are at work as well. They analyze your browsing and purchase history, compare it with the behavior of other customers, and suggest products that you might like. It's the reason why you often see ads for items that you've recently searched for or purchased. These algorithms are designed to predict your preferences and enhance your shopping experience. Social media platforms are another prime example. Algorithms decide what posts show up in your feed based on what they think you'll like or engage with. They make this decision by analyzing a myriad of factors, from your past interactions to the time you spend on different types of content. But why should we care about these invisible equations running behind the scenes? While understanding algorithms can help us navigate the digital world more effectively, it can help us find the information we need, discover new interests, and even protect our online privacy. By being aware of how algorithms work, we can make conscious choices, like diversifying our news sources to avoid echo chambers or tweaking our privacy settings to limit targeted ads. In this algorithm-driven world, knowledge is power. The more we understand about algorithms, the better we can make them work for us. So let's embrace the power of algorithms, not fear them, and learn to navigate this digital world with wisdom and curiosity.